let's talk about Apple. I mean, what do you do here? The stock's down some 20% from its all-time high back in September. You've got the new iPad mini that was launched. Then there was the management shakeup that saw the departure of the company's heads of mobile, software, and retail operations. What do you do if you own the stock? What do you do if you don't own the stock? Todd, then Lee, Brian.
Apple, buy it and buy some more and buy it at leverage, because I'm telling you why. This is a company, they're going to net $48 billion in cash by the end of next year just on the iPhone 5. The mini iPad is something that's breaking into a new market. The thing that concerns me, though, is that they haven't created any new products, any new ideas. They are a category killer, but they don't want to have to chase. They want to create new categories. Hopefully, Tim Cook will be able to do that going forward. But the iPhone 5 is a reason enough just to buy this stock.
Lee, what's your take on Apple now?
I'm going to ask Siri on my new iPhone 5 what I should do.
You're so
I just got this thing. I don't even need this thing, but you know, I love to buy. I'm talking to you on an Apple. I've got Apple stuff. You know, my whole business runs on Apple. I'm not quite as aggressive as Todd on that. One of my portfolio managers here at the firm, you know, was whining about Apple. What do we do? Because it's one of our larger individual stock positions. And I said, listen, you have two choices: do nothing, or you do nothing. And if you need to hit the panic button, you can sell a little bit of it now and either buy it at 600 or buy it at 520, where I think it has support. But I don't think, if you own Apple right now, I don't think that you need to do anything. And if you're looking to dip your toe in, you know, flip a coin, buy it right now. If I saw it at 500, 520, where I think it has some technical support, I think it'd be a screaming buy. But by the time it gets to that level, where the Apple addicts say, I've just got to start selling. When you start seeing on Twitter people throwing in the towel on Apple, then I would do the Todd thing of, you know, sell the house, sell the kid, sell the dog, and buy Apple. So,
all right, Brian, what's your take on Apple?
Well, if you don't own it, I think right now you have to just sit tight, as in you don't go for it, because what Apple is telling me, it is a sentiment-driven play. And when this thing starts going against people, we've learned that it's going to start going against them. It's going to feed on itself and negativity. The valuation on this thing, we all know that 9, 10 times earnings, whatever it is, it's not working. Buy and hold, Ben Graham stuff, not working. Right now, wait till the selling subsides. Then you can start thinking about 2013. The company has to show me a little bit more what they have to put up a good quarter right now. Believe it or not, and I can't believe I'm saying this, Apple is a show me company. I want to see a very, very, very good holiday quarter. And then you can look to 2013 when they start to bring costs down. You're stuck in the pipeline with a lot of these products globally. Then maybe I can get a little excited about it. But it starts with this holiday quarter and the weeks going up to it.
All right, gentlemen, thanks so much for that lively discussion.